guys, it's the next day. I'm coming at you with straight hair. Don't be fooled, it looks crazy right now. It's super choppy, just the way that my hair is growing out. But I wanted to continue this vlog for the next few days at least, and I wanted to give you guys an update on the So Delicious cheddar shreds, because right now I'm honestly on a journey to find the best dairy-free cheeses, and it's just hit or miss, and they're so expensive. I feel like regular cheese should be more expensive than these vegan options, so you know, I won't be trying them all out at the same time. But I think my mistake yesterday is I didn't put enough, so, and I also cooked it a little bit too long in the microwave to melt because it didn't get gooey. Making my chili again. Oh my gosh, it's so cold, and I'm so happy I made the chili today or yesterday, because it's super comforting. Yeah, I've been working all morning since 6 a.m. Woke up, showered, washed my hair, straightened my hair, blowed it out, vlogged, updated you guys, edited, uploaded, and now I ain't got shit else to do the rest of the day. I'm not about to work out. If you think I'm gonna sweat out my hair, you are wrong. But I don't really know how long I'm gonna keep it this way, just because it does look a little crazy with the choppiness. Put that back in. So I don't know, I am gonna wrap it tonight and just see how it looks second day, because my hair always looks the best the second day that I get to sleep on it and I have it wrapped up. No, this is what it looks like. 45 seconds. Doesn't look too appetizing. It is very good though, I'm not gonna even lie. You can see it's kind of gooey, but the Daya is a lot more gooey. But this has a nice cheddar flavor. Today I'm looking forward to watching YouTube videos and like catching up on YouTube, because I don't really have a lot of time to sit there and watch the videos that are in my sub box, so I just save them for later, and I have like 200 videos in my save for later, which doesn't make sense. So I do want to go through and watch those videos today, and for some reason it feels like a Saturday, but it's only a Tuesday, so I don't know why it feels like my week is swapped upside down. Feels a little weird. Okay, just gonna pour this on the nachos. I just impress myself even more every single day, I swear. So super simple, just one of my favorite ways to enjoy chili. This is so high in protein. It's very hard for me to track, to be honest. So I estimate with the portions, but it's all protein, beans and meat. So can't go wrong with that. I don't even want to take this layer down because you guys will see how choppy it looks. You have to go watch that video. I just posted my 1 year and why I regret going natural 1 year ago, and being honest about literally everything. So if that interests you, check it out. But let me see, is my mom at home right now? Yeah, she should be home.
Hey.
Are you at work?
No, I'm at home working. What are you doing? What? Oh, it's straight. It looks nice straight. See, you never needed a relaxer.
So why'd you put it in my hair?
I don't know. So at least you can wear it curly or straight. That's good. It looks nice.
Oh, MJ just said you're on a 2-on-1 right now. It sounds like MJ was not honest with that.
So I have about 10 minutes before I have to go downstairs to pick up a delivery. I'm snacking on a fig bar, and I had to pause The Bachelor because, I'm sorry, the drama is too petty. It's way too petty, and it's just like, I don't care about this. So I'm trying to multitask because my attention span right now is very short. So I just realized that tonight, which I'm so excited about because all my work is done for, I literally just made my video live. Literally been working since 6 a.m. till 2 o'clock. So this is my time to chill, eat all the food I want to eat. If I want to take a nap, I'll take a nap. I just took Lee out, so he's good until bedtime. But I realized that tonight at 8, Basketball Wives come back. I think this might be the last season that they're doing, and I am such a fan. Like, Jackie, look, don't get me started on Miss Jackie. So I'm really excited. I'm sure they're actually doing a marathon or something on VH1 all day, so I'll probably check into that if I'm over The Bachelor, because I'm like 19 minutes in and it's hard. It's hard for me to pay attention to this. But I don't know, how are you guys feeling about The Bachelor? First Black Bachelor. Here for it. I just feel like he needs to show some other ladies some camera time, because this petty drama ain't it for me. So, ooh, 8 minutes. My delivery is gonna be here. I'm excited. About to make a protein shake. Cheers, man. Now this video is going up on Friday. I have all my videos scheduled out until Friday. Today is only Tuesday. So drop a comment and let me know what you guys thought about Basketball Wives. If you watched it, let me know what you guys thought, because I cannot wait. Good morning. I just got my nail fixed. Tell me why they did it for free. I broke it hiking the other day. I remembered the color, thank God, because I was like, oh, I knew it was like a teddy bear shade or something. So I ended up finding the perfect match. And I'm like, she finishes my nail and I'm like, okay, how much is it? She's like, oh, don't worry about it. What the heck? Best service ever. So I'm just wearing my gym outfit for the day. Have my Alpha Elite fit on, throw this flannel on because it's cold and gloomy, and I have my favorite bag, my Angela Roy Mini Grace. This is probably my favorite. I know you guys will ask me, if you are shopping on this site and you only want to get one Grace bag, which size do I prefer? Definitely the mini. I think it's my favorite size because it's not huge and it's not the micro. So it's just great to grab and go and put all your essentials. And this is the taupe color that I have here with the canvas strap, and it does come with a matching chain strap, but for casual fits I like that one. So check it out, links down below so you guys can cop. I'm gonna run to the postal, ship out a Poshmark order, and today I'm gonna be listing a ton of stuff on my Poshmark hashtag moving sale. So there's gonna be a lot of good stuff, great quality. I only list things that are wearable and things that I don't personally use because of sizing, style, whatever. So definitely check that out if you're interested to get some fun items. There's going to be a lot of fall winter stuff, a lot of spring and summer stuff as the weather gets warmer. So everything is going to be like 10-15 bucks. And if you're new to Poshmark, you want to save an additional $10, check out the link below to sign up with my code. Sometimes you'll try to use it at checkout. You cannot do that. You have to use the code to sign up with your account. So huge moving out sale over on the Poshmark. If you guys are interested, links for that are in the description box. Gang, gang. I just left Whole Foods. I'm very upset. All the pizza bites are gone, so who is stealing them all? But I copped the croissants. I'm back from Whole Foods and I got some new cheeses, which I'm not gonna have them right this second because I am about to get a workout in. But this Violife, I've never tried their stuff, but I feel like I've heard someone say this brand is pretty good. So I got the cream cheese and original. And what I really liked about them, I was just telling you guys how soy is something that I'm pretty mindful of. This is soy-free, nut-free, gluten-free, dairy-free, lactose-free, and preservative-free, and it's made with coconut oil. So I'm gonna give this a try. I have some bagels in the fridge that I need to put this on. And this is what I've been looking at as well, the Daya medium cheddar style block cheese. They also have this in a pepper jack style. And let me tell you, before I cut dairy out in 2013, I was obsessed with just like eating cheese just like this. So I thought this one would be really good to try with some crackers and maybe do like some turkey or something. So I'll try this out in the video today and let you guys know if it's a hit or if it's a miss. I feel like I'm gonna like it though. I just feel like vegan cheese it's good when it's melted, but it's hard to find a good cheese that's good raw, if that makes sense. I also picked up 2 Olipop's. I've tried the vintage cola before. This does have a pretty, like a stevia aftertaste, which I'm not the biggest fan of, but I love that this is packed with fiber and probiotics. So good for your gut and your digestion. So I decided to try out the cherry vanilla flavor. So we're gonna see how that goes. You know, when you try something for the first time, you might not love it until the second time it'll start to grow on you. That's what I'm hoping for these. I definitely need more fiber in my diet, so just keeping note of that. I also got the 365 breakfast sausages, which I'll try out today with my vegan croissants. I almost got 2 of them, but these are hard to come by, so whenever I see them, gotta snatch them up. And that's pretty much it. Everything else is regular schmegular. I ran out of my pre-workout, so today I'm trying the Galaxy Lemonade, which I'm hoping this is on the tart side. I don't like sweet stuff. And I'm trying to get through the Candy Blast Pump from Milani New. This is very sweet, not my favorite. It's one of those things that I just have to chug because the consistency is really grainy no matter how much water I put in and continue to shake it up. I think it's just the formula of that one. So today we're trying out a new pre-workout and I feel like I'm gonna like it. So I'm gonna link them down below, the supplements and stuff that I get. Most of the time you can find a really good sale. So buy them on sale. You don't even be buying your stuff full price. It's blue. This is interesting. I had a lot of pre-workouts today, so I'm gonna do a nice round scoop. Because I really don't feel like working out, but we have goals. You know what? Goals don't work unless you do. So I'm gonna suck it up, do this, and then I'm done with all of my work for the rest of the day. I already uploaded my video today, so really excited about that. Oh my god, it's turning purple. Wait, this is exciting. I don't think I put a shaker in there. My shaker balls are stuck together. Yo, this is turning purple. I think you guys can tell because my cup, but so excited. Moment of truth. This is what it is up close so you guys can see. I'll link this one down below so you guys can check it out. Wow, definitely on the tart side. A nice lemon flavor. Oh shoot, my battery's dying. All right, well I'm gonna go work out anyway. I'll see you guys later. So I've been obsessed with watching Prison Break, you guys. I am deep into it.
I did what you said.
We are obsessed. Do you guys ever have a craving for something and then you realize that you have all of the ingredients to make it at home? So I'm gonna be doing a peach cobbler. I just Googled a recipe for a Bisquick because I remembered that I have this here. So I'm gonna whip it up. It seems like it only takes about an hour, 10 minutes to prep, and then 50 minutes in the oven, which is fine because I'm watching Prison Break right now and just my life is just gone because it's just so good. So basically for this, it calls for milk. I'm gonna be using an oat milk substitute, vegan butter. This is my grandmother's peaches that she sent out to me. So I'm gonna use a jar of this. I'm gonna take the juice out of it though. It also calls for sugar, and I don't really like to eat white sugar, so I'm substituting that for some coconut sugar. And it said 1 cup, which is a lot, and my grandma's peaches are already sweet, so if I do any sugar, it's gonna be bare minimum. With the peaches, I think I have to mix those two together with some nutmeg. So that's all you need. I'm gonna whip it together and I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's done. big head. I can't see. Get out of the way. There he is.
My tattoo. It is bad. There he is.
I think it looks pretty good. I definitely didn't use a whole cup of sugar, but I'm gonna let this kind of cool. I don't know what I'm doing right now. I'm trying to get it on this thing.
Assure me I'll be protected.
And boom, that's what my little cobbler looks like. Got a little toasted on the side, but I'm gonna let it cool for maybe 10 minutes and then I'm gonna dive in and get back to Prison Break. So I'm back with dinner time, and I think I'm gonna, I don't know, I was gonna try to meal prep this because I went to the store today and got 2 of these kielbasa sausages. So I think tonight I'm just gonna do 1, and then I'm gonna eat all of these veggies myself. I love roasted bell peppers, so I just wash them, halve them, put some pink salt, black pepper, and then some olive oil in them, and then I think I'm just gonna throw them in at 425 for 25-30 minutes until they get a little charred. And I'm gonna have my Uncle Ben's rice with this, and I don't know if I wanna make like a tomato base, like add tomatoes into this. Essentially I wanna mix the rice with the sausage and maybe stuff the bell pepper. I don't know how this is gonna go. I just really wanted sausage and peppers for dinner tonight, and I'm really lazy these days, and this stuff has been coming in clutch for your girl. And I'm trying to hurry this up because I want dinner to be ready for Basketball Wives tonight. So I got about 30 minutes before the new episode comes on. So I'm gonna finish whipping this up, figure out what I'm gonna do, if I'm gonna chop those up or stuff them. Look, come back and you guys will find out when dinner is prepared. I'm having my favorite kombucha with it, and I'm sure you can hear Basketball Wives in the background, so I'm gonna catch you guys next time.